Hi, I am Saravanan here. Today I am going to give some important international travel tips. It will be very useful to you. Please don't skip and watch video fully. Otherwise you will miss some important tips. Before that, please subscribe, like, share and press bell so that you will get some important essential air travel message continuously. There are 6 important things to follow. First one things to follow at the time of air ticket booking. Second one, things to follow before you leaving to airport. Third one, at the time of check-in. Fourth one, at the time of immigration. Fifth one, at the time of security check. Sixth one, things to follow at the time of departure waiting hall. Things to follow at the time of booking air ticket. Please confirm the passport and the air ticket names are same. Then B, check the date and timing of the tickets. C, please confirm whether the onward and return date of the ticket is within the visa period. D, verify your baggage allowance of the ticket. In some tickets it may be 30 kg, in some ticket it may be 2 pieces, 23 into 2. In some airlines it may be 25 kg. Next, E, confirm your preferred meal preference. That if you need veg or non-veg, you have to confirm according to that. F, it is better to confirm your travel insurance for all the states. Things to know before you leaving to airport. Please check whether you have taken your passport, flight ticket, visa related documents and insurance. Keep all these documents in your handbag only, not in check-in baggage. Then next, you have to be 3 hours before in airport. In this pandemic situation, you have to be at least 4 hours before in the airport. Next, you have to confirm that your vehicle should be on time. Next, keep your baggage weight exact. You have to keep your exact baggage weight. Things to know at the time of check-in. After the check-in, don't forget to get back your passport, flight ticket and boarding pass. Next, check your baggage tags. Next, avoid to carry stranger goods. Next, you should put your power bank charger in your handbag only, not in check-in baggage. Things to know before going to immigration. Passport, flight ticket, visa and travel related documents have to keep it in your hand. Next, those who are holding tourist visa have to carry your hotel accommodation proof, sufficient money, tour itinerary and return ticket. Next, those who are holding work permit, employment pass, dependent visa, H1B1 visas have to carry your all visa related documents. Things to know before going to security check. Keep your mobile phone and what are all the belongings in your hand and pockets, put it in your handbag and then keep your shoes, belt and the handbag in the tray and put it in the security scan. Next, after the security personnel put the seal in your boarding pass, please collect it and without fail, please collect all your belongings from the security scan. Liquid items are not allowed in your handbag and beware of your passports. Things to know at departure waiting hall. Most probably be seated near your gate. Next, before going to the flight, please check that you have taken all your belongings at the waiting area. Next, some may go to duty free and coffee shop and wrongly sitting in other gates and miss the flight. Next, be conscious of your boarding announcement. If you not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and press bell button so that you will get a regular updates of SAS World.